Who else? 1, 2. Okay. All right, here we go. Let us sorry. Okay, we cover angles today. So where is okay. Sorry. Okay, we are going through angles. So okay, last week we went through the P5 level. So can you just very quickly, this is the mark angle. Can you just very quickly find the answers, then you message me. Fast, Zahin. Congratulations, Zahin. Yeah, for C&D also. If you can use a calculator, also no problem. Okay, Zahin, you have gotten correct for C and for D. Okay, so Ilhan, what's the answer for question A? Very quickly lah. Just say it out lah, Ilhan. A. Can see Cannot hear you. Can you on mute? You're on mute. You're on mute.
For A, it's 60.
B.
For
B,
it's.
You need to calculate this one. B, you look at this one now. Isosceles triangle. Which two angles are the same? So B is equals to
76.
76. C.
38.
38. D.
57.
Correct, right? 57. Congratulations. Okay. E and F, please. E and F. Can you just send me your answers also? So we are starting up in a warm up lah. This is a warm up. Send your answers. Zahin, E is correct. What about F? Ilhan? Okay.
How do you find E?
Okay, how to find E? Which two sides are the same? Two angles. So take 180 minus 105. Answer divided by 2. Because this is also E. This one here is also E. Right? So 180 minus this give you 75. 75 divided by 2. Akil, we are doing E and F. You can use your calculator. All right, here we go. We are now doing F now. Okay, anyone answer for F? You know how to use the message also, Akil? You know how to use the message. You can message me and answer. Mr. Zahin, congratulations. Zahin, I will type in the question for you to do mentally without for calculation to see how good you are. Okay, don't use a calculator for this one. Okay, let's try. You times 10, then you add a 24. Come, Akil, you got the answer? Ilhan, you got the answer? No. Okay, let's see. 244. Well, 10. Okay, what is 10 times 24, Zahid? 240, correct? Then you add another 24. You get 2, 6, 4. All right, Ilhan, what's the answer for E? Now here you got your answer now. 75. Okay, 7.5. Well done. What about this one? Same method. Same method. Akil, this angle is equal to which one? 90 or F? Ilhan, congratulations. Akil, can you hear me, Akil? Akil, can you hear me? Akil is on frozen. Okay, same method. 180 minus 90, then 90 divided by 2, get 45 each. I do not know. Akil seems to be frozen. Ilhan and Zahin, am I lagging? No, right? No, okay. Just in case. If I'm lagging, please tell me. So Akil, Akil, I think you were lagging a little bit. You were lagging a little bit just now. Now we'll try the next one. Now, first of all, you all must know how to read this angle. Okay, when they give you this, you must remember the angle is always in the center. In this case, it's B. All right, it's B. Yeah. So down here you have D, B, C. They want you to find this. Which angle is the center angle? Why do they need to give you D and B? Because it can be ABD, right? Or DBA, but this one DBC. They need to give you all three. So can you find very quickly? You can do it mentally. Well done. And you can send your message. And we have the first message coming in from the first contestant, which is Mr. Zahin. Mr. Zahin is absolutely correct. What about anyone else? Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Zahin, you can move on to the next question. Very easy. Ilhan, can you get the answer for the first one? A. We're going on speed round. Use your calculator if you need to. Okay. Let's see now. Now the next person was okay. Well done, Ilhan. What about Akil? Can you get this first answer? In fact, I think Akil, you've done this worksheet before. You can do this answer. What's the answer? You can say it or you can type it in. Okay, well done. We move on to the next two. Okay, the next two. Next two, I'm just gonna. Now you can see everything. Okay, Zahin. Okay, congratulations, Zahin, for A. What about B? Okay, congratulations, Mr. Zahin. You can move on to C now. And what about Akil, Ilhan? Can It's quite easy, right? Ultraman like that, right? The top and bottom are the same. Top and bottom are the same. Akil, are you okay? Ilhan, you all right? Ilhan, don't look sad, Ilhan. Yeah. It's okay. All right, well done to Mr. Akil. Well, yes, we are waiting for Ilhan. Wow, Zahin is already. Okay, just a moment, Zahin. Same answer as Akil 162. All right, so now this and this are equal lah. You must remember that lah. This and this are equal. So, all right, well done. Now, I want you to know why must they mark this angle? Why? You see, let me tell you why. I'm going to draw this now like this. Please understand this so that you know now next time when you go to higher levels, they need to mark this because if they say DOA here, right? DOA, yeah. Now DOA, sorry, DOA, it can be two possible angles. No, DOA can also be this angle here. It can be the bigger angle, but no. So that's why they need to mark it. Even in secondary school, they need to do that because it can be the. This is also DOA, right? It's also DOA. So that's why they mark it down here. All right, but anyway, so now for the next one now. The next one for C. For C, Zahin, let me check, yeah. Can you, okay. See, I'm supposed to, we just wait for a while, huh? Okay, Putri, we are doing question number, you cannot hear me yet. Putri, we're doing question number C. Zahin, congratulations, answer is correct. But Zahin, don't send to everyone, Zahin. Okay, all of you send your answers to me personally, all right? So that I can know that, yeah. What about the rest? Okay, Zahin, I give you a question while you're that thing. Okay, you tell me now what is the answer. Can you factorize this, simplify this, okay? Okay, Zahin, please try this question. Okay, congratulations, Ilhan, well done. You even given the Akil also, well done, 143, yeah? So all of you got 143, well done. 360 minus 81 minus 90 minus 46, well done. We're moving to the next one. What's her name? Princess Carissa, Putri, cannot, not yet connected. Putri, if you can hear me, you may need to join back in again. Maybe you want to log out and log in. Okay. Okay, you try the next two. Okay, Zahin is not minus 8y. You see, this one is plus 5y. Let's say we put the minus, I'm going to write it the other way for you lah, so that you can see why it's not meant to be that way. Yeah. Now, if you do this, is the same question, okay? I've just rearranged the 5y. So you'll be plus 2y, not minus 8y. Do you get it? Zahin, get it? Zahin, can you hear me? You get it, you understand? So sometimes you may need to rearrange the terms, Zahin. Then you can see clearly. All right, we're going to question A and B. Princess Putri, yeah, A and B, you can send your message directly to me. You can use your calculator, please. We are on the speed round. Okay, now. So now let us stop for a while. We stop for a while. Okay, Zahin. Okay, well done, Zahin. But I just stopped for a while. Okay. Okay. Now, for those who are unsure, parallelogram is. We ask Zahin now. Zahin, is this a parallelogram? This one is parallel to this. Is it parallelogram? Yes. No. No, this trapezium.
It's not parallelogram, but it's parallel.
No, not parallelogram. So parallelogram, both pairs must be parallel. That means this one is parallel to this. So parallel to this, parallel to this. Now, what are the characteristics of a parallelogram? The opposite angles like this are equal. They are equal. And then this one on here also equal to this. Not only that, can you see the Z now? Look out for the Z. All right, can you see the Z down here? If I'm going to draw the line straight, can you see the Z? So this one now is same as this. And if you minus 180 to this, you get this. So you minus 180, you get this. You minus 180 minus this, you get this. You know what I'm talking about? Let's say I give you 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. If I want to find this angle, 180 minus 30 give me this. 180 minus 30 give me this also. Say why? I tell you why. I'll tell you why in a moment. Okay. Opposite angle is the same. This is 150, right? It's 150 also. It's 30 also. These two you add up 180. This angle here is same as this angle. I want you to have a look at the pattern very clearly. Opposite angles are the same. I can do a Z here, right? This angle and this angle is the same. So 180 minus 30, give me this. So these two must add up to 180. 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 Always. Always. So now, if you understand this, I take a parallel line, one set, parallel. I draw a line like that. What does it mean? This and this angle are the same, right? Because it's a Z. Now, these two, when you add up these two, A and B, they will become 180 degrees. You add up C and D, will also become 180 degrees. Must remember, they are connected to two parallel lines. Always, this is the basic rule. But never mind, we try as we go. Okay, here we go. Now, you try this again. This is a parallelogram. This is also a parallelogram. Rhombus is a special parallelogram like a square. All sides are the same. It's a Senget square. Senget square. So you send your answers to me and let us see how we are doing. Okay, congratulations to Mr. Zahin. To the next one, Mr. Zahin. The rhombus also, yes. Okay, congratulations. Okay, so you label the angle. So if you say this is 111, what you're supposed to find? DAB. So DAB, right? DAB equals to 111. You cannot see BE. Okay. Can see now? Can see? Okay. So now you cannot see B. Okay, now you can see. So what about Putri? Can get the answer. You first of all, you must know which angles we are talking about. They mark it for you already. One is here. This is angle DAB. And the other one now here. ABC. So what are your answers? Okay, I will run through the answers in a moment. Okay. All right. Before we go through this one first, because I think some are having difficulty. They're asking for angle DAB. Where is angle DAB? You start with, they say D, you start with D. So you draw a line. What line? Okay, we just follow your finger, like I say. D, then you go to A, and then you go to B. So the center angle is the one. Is the one what? They want you to find out. So that's why they even mark it down here. Okay. So what is angle DAB? Opposite angles are the same, right? So angle, you write angle DAB like that. For messaging, you just write DAB, don't need to write angle, equals to 69 degrees. Why 69 degrees? Remember I told you opposite angles in a parallelogram, they are equal. So this is also 69. And then side by side angles, this plus this will be equal to 180. This plus this. This plus this equal 180. This plus this 180. This plus this 180. So all those that are side by side will become, they add up, become 180. So how to find this angle ABC? Very simple. Angle ABC, you take 180 minus 69 lah. Okay, 180 minus 69, and you will get the answer. You get it as 111. Okay, 111. Now, do not put a C here. You know this is unit for temperature, please. Don't put a C. We are not doing the temperature, we are doing an angle. So this is 111. Okay, before I go further, I need to check one by one. Putri, you understand, Putri? Akil, okay? Yes. Ilhan, all right? Ilhan, okay now, Ilhan? Ilhan, fed up lah. Don't be fed up lah, Ilhan. Okay, we move on now. Zahin is correct because he gave me the correct answer. So we move on to the next one. Can see C, right? Zahin can see C? Okay, so you all try B and C. Rhombus is a parallelogram. Rhombus is a parallelogram. We got a few answers coming in. Oh, Zahin, very fast, huh?
Type in FGH, you can doing autocorrect, go. Oh,
okay, okay, never mind. You maybe, okay, never mind. For you, if you cannot type, you just type. Yeah, you just type the answer lah. No problem. I'll figure out. Okay, if you have issues. Zahin. Okay, Zahin, both are correct. Let us see now. Who else? FGH. Okay, correct. Putri for your FGH. Also Akil, yes. And GHE, Akil, correct. What about Ilhan? Ilhan, what's the answer now for this one? Okay, Ilhan, now you tell me what's the answer for the yellow part. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Don't need to calculate. Don't need opposite. Yes, okay. What about this one, Ilhan? No, these two add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so how much we got the calculator 180 degrees. So how? Take 180 minus 50 lah. Minus 50. You get 130. This 130. In fact, if we enlarge this, you can see that this is more than 90 degrees. Can you see now? You see, if I were to draw 90 degrees, oh, if I draw 90 degrees, from the estimation you can see, you see. So you can use, down here 90 degrees is only like that. Can you see? So this one is more. So must be more than 90 lah. So in this case, 180 minus 50. So I want you to be very clear about this, about what? Okay. Because I think some of you are still not clear about this. Okay, what is it? I'll show you. You must remember. I'm going to give names to the four side. Okay, let's call this A lah. Let's call this B. Let's call this C. Let's call this D. Okay, this is a parallelogram. So A and C are equal. The angle A equals to C. First thing. Then B is equals to D. So can you see the opposite angles are always the same? Opposite or same? Opposite, same. Then side by side, your jiran, your neighbor lah. A and B, A plus B will be equal to 180. And then A plus D also 180. Because jiran what? Next door neighbor, you plus together in a parallelogram become 180. And then D and C side by side also become 180 degrees. You add also become 180 degrees. And B and C also lah. B and C also. So all of these, you must remember when you add them up, it becomes 180 degrees. Always. For what? For parallelogram. What's parallelogram? That means this side is parallel to this side, and this side is parallel to this side. Okay? Okay, now anyone, if you're confused, anyone confused or not? No, all okay, very good, very good. Okay. Okay, now we go back. I have to clean the thing, so now we go down here. Let us see now. I'm going to look at your answers, and again, now this one is not a parallelogram. These two sides are not the same, not parallel. Let us see. No, these two, Miss Putri, can you see this is less than 90? Now you must ask yourself, boys and girls, which two add up to 180 degrees? If you say this plus this 180, sorry, is not true. You only is not true. So how do you know? This is parallel. This is parallel. The line that you join, these two will add up to 180. Okay. What else? This one also add up to 180. These two. This one and this one don't what? You see, Miss Putri, is this one more or less than 90 degrees? This element. Yes. So your answer cannot be 115. Can you see? So that's how you check. All right, let us see Ilhan. For not true. How come you get that? You see, Ilhan, this plus this 180 degrees. So take 180 minus 65, you get this one. 180 minus 108, you get this one. Okay, Putri, correct. Akil, correct. We're waiting for your other answer. They want you to find two angles here. Zahin, I have to give you another question, Zahin, while we wait for the rest. Mentally, Zahin. Mentally, okay? No, sorry. Salah, Zain. Sorry, yeah. This one. Ilhan, cannot, Ilhan? Han?
Me.
Okay, we do together, Ilhan. Can you see not? Sorry?
Okay.
I do not heard someone scream. Oh, it's all right, now here. This one down here. Okay, I want you, if you can't see, okay, if you can't see, can you see this now? Mr. Ilhan? I go and draw, I extend this line. Then can you see not this thing? This line, zing. So this is a Z. This angle is also 65. So this plus this 180. Take 180 minus 65, you get this answer to 115. But actually, you don't even need to draw the line, because in a parallelogram, this plus this equals to 180. 180 minus 65 give you 115. Same thing. 180 minus 105 give you 72 degrees. Yeah. Never mind. Now we move on. Okay. 362. 352. This is sign. See, 32 times 10 is 320. Then you add another 32. You get 350. Okay, this is just additional. Okay. Sorry, I can't see what you're saying. Hold on. Okay. All right, no problem. Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay. Careful, Can you see? You try. You can see, nah? If it's too small, I enlarge the big one. Maybe I enlarge the big one first. Yeah, do both. But never mind. You try the first one first. It's clearer. Find C, dB. Wah, very fast, Cepat sih. Adakah dia benar? Minta maaf pada Putri. Tidak accurate, not accurate. Mr. Ilhan, congratulations. First to get it, congratulations, Mr. Ilhan. Akil, also well done. Clue, Zahin, what about you, Zahin? Clue. This is a isosceles triangle, Miss Putri and Zahin. These two are equal, so you can find. These two angles are the same. Come on, you can find. I will now reduce it in size so that our friends can do the next question. Okay, Ilhan and Akil, please try. Zahin, you know how to do, Zahin? A, you know, right? Not sure. Okay. Putri, you know how to do A? Yes. What's the answer? Still doing. Eh? Okay. Ilhan, what is this angle? Sorry, not Ilhan. Zahin. What is this angle, Zahin? How much, Zahin? This one.
180.
180, yeah? No, this one. This angle. It's a straight line, no? Opposite of the straight line will be equal, what? Correct? This one 50 also,
50.
Okay, and then if you know that's 50, this is an isosceles triangle. This side and this side, the angles are the same. The step is 180 CBD. Wrong, huh? CBD is not that, Putri. 180 minus 50 first equals to 130. What is 130 equals to? Is equals to these two angles, this angle plus this angle. You get it now, Putri? Putri can see now, Putri? Putri can see now. Opposite is 50. So 180 minus 50 get 130. These two is 130. Now these two are isosceles. These are angles because they are equal angles. Why? Because it's isosceles. Now how do we know the two angles are the same? Very simple. The angle that is here, let's say now we say this side is the same as this. The one that is touching both sides, this is the different angle. This one here, I put a different color. This one and this one, they are the same. Can you see the one line touching? This is the different angle. The sandwich angle is the different angle. The other two angles are the same. So these two angles are the same. So 180 minus 50, 130. 130 divided by 2 lah, because they are the same one. So divided by 2, you get 65. Yes. Okay, you guys all right? Putri, are you okay? Yes. Okay. Now you try the next one then. The next one. Let us see. Akil. Oh wow. Akil, dangerous, this guy Akil. Pretty fast. How about Ilhan? Has he done? Let me see. But Ilhan, you look at this. Look at W, X, Y. See W, X, Y, they're talking about this big angle. You know this big angle is bigger than 90 degrees? Do you know that this angle is bigger than 180 degrees? Bigger than 180 degrees. You can take 360 minus these two angles. You can get answer. But first you got to find out. So let us see whether our friend Mr. Akil, who looks a little bit bored, has gotten it correct. Akil, do you go to McDonald's today? Not every day, certain days only. 192. Okay. So Zahin says 192. Ilhan says 192. Akil says 264. What about Miss Putri? How much do you think this is? First of all, let us look at this triangle first. Let us look at this triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. This angle here and this angle is here are the same. Correct? Zahin, focus Zahin. This, can you see Zahin down here? This angle down here and this angle are the same. So take 180 minus what? Minus 84. What do you get? You get 96. Now 96, because they are the same isosceles, 96 divided by 2. What do you get? You get 48. So what is 48? This is 48 degrees. But if you look carefully, you will realize that this one is also the same thing at the bottom. This is also 84. This one is also 48 lah. This is also 48. 48, 96. 360. 60 minus 96 is your answer, which is what? It's not 264. Oh yeah, 264. 264 degrees. Congratulations to Mr. Akil. Okay, who doesn't get it? Ilhan, you get it? Zahin, do you get it, Zahin? Zahin is talking to others. Zahin, do you understand, Azan? Zahin, you get it?
I got do for correction.
Oh, but okay. So, Putri, you understand? Putri, you look as if you don't understand. You look very stressed. Okay, just came back from madrasah. Okay, sometimes it's a little bit tough lah. Primary 6, sometimes you gotta rush everything together. Let us try now the next one. Okay, the next two lah. Find the unknown mark angle. Okay, there's two angles here. There's also two angles here. Try your best. Oh, who is this first? Yes, answer straight. What, Sahin? Oh, don't give chance. Okay. Minta maaf Encik Zahin. DAC, it is not that. The answer is correct for one angle, but it's not surely not DAC. DAC is not that. Again, they tell you it's a parallelogram. Right? This is parallel to this. Autocorrect. Yeah, okay. Understand. Your answer ACD for that is okay, Akil. Right? No problem. Well done. Maybe what you can do, you give a spacing next time. A, spacing, C, then they don't autocorrect. I didn't do Zoom can autocorrect. Depends on the setting. All right, what about the rest? It's quite simple. Don't get stuck. Congratulations, Miss Putri. Well done. Congratulations, Mr. Zahin. Well done. If you can't see, those of you who can't see, remember this is parallel. So this one, look at it carefully. You can have the Z. You don't even need to calculate. This angle is equals to what? It's equals to 35, because these two are the same. And DAC, let's see what the rest of them DAC. I'm going to remove my DAC says. Akil, what answer for DAC, Akil? Akil is not here. Congratulations to Mr. All right, so we go through. Zahin for DAC is correct. What about the rest? Okay, Putri also. Okay, so now down here, very simple. You got this to be 35 already. Right? This is already 35. As I said, there's a Z down here, right? Zing, and then zing, right? There's a Z. So this is 35, is 35. Then take 180 minus 58 minus 35 will give you this, because this plus this is equals to 180. Angles in a triangle. So you take the next step, 180 minus 35 minus 58. It's not 145. It is 87 degrees. Okay, 87 degrees. Okay, you try the next one. Congratulations, Zahin. Your answer is correct. So both of them are the same answer, right? FHG or GHF and EFH is same answer. All right, well done. Yes, because you got C. Well done. Okay, you can try the next angle. Okay, those of you who finished can try the next one. Huh? Okay, just give me 1 minute. Huh? Just give me 1 minute. Okay, you try B and C. I'll come back just a moment. Okay, let us see. Yeah, who has gotten it? All right. Okay, Putri, well done. Akil, well done. What about Ilhan? Ilhan, are you there, Ilhan? For this one, can you get the first one, the rhombus? Let me see. Did you send anything? Okay, so we go step by step. We go this question first. Huh? So this now is a isosceles triangle on here. Isosceles. This is 130. These two are the same, right? So take 180 minus 130, get 50. 50 is for these two. 50 divided by 2, get 25, 25. So this here is 25. And then this one you don't need to calculate because can you see the Z here? So this is 25, this is 25. Ilhan, okay? Eh? Okay, so you can use, yeah, you can use that, no problem. Okay, so this is isosceles triangle. What about this one? Let me see. We have Zahin saying that any other person got answer. Okay, you think through the next one. I'm now going to enlarge the screen so that you can analyze. Can see, yeah? Okay, try. Don't give up, Akil, don't give up. $54 is for the whole thing, eh? $99. Akil say $99. $99 for this one, is it, Akil? And Zahin say 126. Okay, let us see. Yeah. Okay, Zahin, you try this, Zahin, once. You are waiting for them, the rest. No calculator, Zahin. Okay, let me check all your answers. Huh? Akil, this answer is Akil or who? Akil, this one is correct. Well done. Let me see. What was Zahin? Zahin is in here. Okay. Yeah, that one. 451 is correct. Zahin, you found anyone? Do you find this one, Zahin? You must find her. Okay, let's see. We're still waiting for the rest. So some say cannot be. Mr. Ilhan. This one must more than 90 degrees, you see. More than 90 degrees. So your answer must be logical, must be more than 90 degrees. You cannot, even you gas out, so try. Putri, LMN is correct. Okay, let's see. So far, who got LMN? Let's see. Akil, you got LMN also correct. So let us do one by one. Okay. Remember, this is parallel to this. You have now a Z. Can you see the Z? That means this angle, Zahin, correct? Also, 126. This is equal to this angle. So this one is 27. Yes. And then they tell you that from here to here is 54. You see? 54. So take 54 minus 27, you'll get 27 also. Oh. So how to find this one? 180. You minus this 27 minus 27. And you will get 126. So 126 is the answer for LMN. 126 here. In fact, what they did not tell you, if this 27, 27 is isosceles, these two are actually the same. But never mind, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. So 126 is correct. What about here? 180 minus 66 minus 27. You get this answer. So let's see, how many of you got? Hold on. 180 minus 27 minus 66. The answer is 87. Anyone got 87 or not? Let me see. No one. Zahin, what was your answer? 81. No, not 81. Zahin, what was your answer? Akil, 99. But do you all understand? Hold on, I show you again. Okay, we look at it very clearly. The whole thing is 54, right? So down here, zing, zing, zing. This one must be 27. Correct. You can see, right? This one is 27. From where to where? From here to here. So this plus this plus this equal 180. 180 minus 66, 180. Then after that, answer minus 27. So you get 87 here. So answer 87 degrees. Let us go one by one. Zahin, are you okay? You understand? 87? Clear? Zahin? Yes, huh? Putri, you get it, Putri? Ilhan, okay? Akil? Okay not? You all look very bored lah. What happened? Okay, try your best. Don't give up. Don't give up. Okay, you try your best. I know it's a little bit tough. Let us go to the next one now. You try this one. Clue. No, that's not 87, Zahin. You understand? Not 87. Yes, huh? Okay. Clue, I give you a clue. You can draw a line and then it becomes, I draw the line for you lah. Okay, so that it becomes easier because you cannot draw the line. So I draw this line. You can draw a straight line like that. Then it might be easier. See, what? Vision for Vision DCB. It's slightly less. I calculated it's slightly less. use the Z to the line that I drawn. Then you can see. Then you can see. Use the Z to the line I have drawn. Then you can see. Then you can see. Sure. Akil, go. Akil, go. Okay, this, you need to go, please go. Try your best. Look a little bit longer, you can see the Z. Clue is the Z. Remember, this one is also parallel, no? Cannot see, Cannot see. Okay, I'll draw for you, okay? Then, Akira should be able to see. Okay, I use a purple line. Zing, zing, zing. Do you agree this is also 37? Correct? Agree, Can see, Now we use another color lah. Hijau lah. Zing, zing, zing. This is 50. 37 plus 50 is the answer. Yes, 87. Well done. Can see. So sometimes this is a question of can see or cannot see, but you have to believe, you have to believe that you can solve this. Otherwise, you won't be able to find the solution. You must believe that you're able to find the solution. Okay, so we'll move on to the next one. You try. Zahin, this one is more or less than 90 degrees. Cannot be. That's why once you ask yourself that, is it logical? Not logical. Ilhan. All right, let me see whether you're right. Congratulations, Ilhan, for YUX. Akil, well done for YUX also. Who else? Zahin almost there, made a mistake. Calculation error. YUX is still wrong. Yes, Miss Putri, correct. So well done, those who got it. So how do we do? Very simple. This one is also 56. So take 180 minus 56 minus 56. Yes, Zahid, you got it. This is 68. What about this one? Very easy, very easy. Yes, well done to Putri. Well done to Ilhan. Well done to who? Okay, all of you got it. You see the Z down here, you don't even need to calculate. Don't even need to calculate. This is 56. So the Z is very powerful. What is this Z called? Your teacher asks, what is the explanation? You cannot just say Z. You can say, yeah, I see the Z, but this is called alternate. You want to write it somewhere, maybe. Angles. Why? You need, at secondary school, you need to explain. Alternate. Alternate angles. Alternate angles. ALTERNATE. Alternate angles. Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay, you try this one. Let's see whether you want the answer. Congratulations, Ilhan. Well done. Don't put question mark lah. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. You can do it. You are the fastest now. Anyone else? You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Akil, so sorry. Please try again. Now this is a square, no? Come on, you know. It's a 90 degrees. You can find this angle. Of course, can it's straight line. Find this angle. 1, 2, 3 must add up to 180. Sorry, Mr. Zahin. Calculation error. Overconfident, Rain. Be careful. Sorry, Rain. Well done, Akil. Okay, and put 3 so. You know, Zahin, this one. 180 minus 115 is 65. You want to find this one? 180 minus 90 minus 65 equals to 25. Zahin, okay? All right. 180 minus 90 minus 65 equals 25. All right, next one. We're getting harder stuff. If you need to wash your face, please wash your face, okay? If you're tired, you see me going in, I took some ice cream. You need to go and take ice cream, whatever, please. Get to keep yourself awake. Please do so. All right, all the best. And go. GOJ. Okay, I'll just indicate this part for you. You're looking at this part. Congratulations, Mr. Akil. Well done, Zahin. You're back on track. Maybe terbalik lah. Okay. Okay, I think I want more or less got it, but Irhan, yours terbalik, I think, number. This one is also 90. Down here is 90. This one 90 divided by 2 lah. You get 45. This one is also 45. You don't believe? 180 minus 90 minus 45 give you 45. This one is 90. 90 plus 45 equals 135. Yes, Irhan. So Irhan, yours terbalik lah. Your numbers was terbalik. All right, no problem, no problem. At least you're getting it. You guys are getting it. Well done. You're getting slightly and slightly tougher. Two angles, huh? Be careful of all this, okay? You must take note, huh? Wow, that's very fast. Congratulations, Akil, for one. That's another answer. This one now, yeah. So you got one answer, all right? Cannot be too big. This one on here, Irhan, is less than 180. This one less than 90. Correct, Mr. Zahin? Not correct, Irhan. We'll try again. Zahin, correct, yeah? Well done. Irhan, correct. What about Putri and Akil for this one? Cannot, not be 90. Sorry, this is more than 90. So we go step by step. Huh? We are finding this one. What is this? 180 minus, no, not 45. Minus, this is a triangle. Can you see this triangle? 180 minus 36 minus 90. Okay. So you get what? What do you get? 54. Yes, 54. Correct. This minus 90. You get 54. Now maybe Zahin say, hey, but there's now you can just divide, you get 45. Okay, so we need to check carefully. Okay, down here now, Zahin, you can see the triangle here, right? You can see that, right? So angle, three angles in a triangle at 180. So 180 minus 36 minus 90 will give you 54. Now why earlier on I say divide by 2? Well, let us see. Down here you can divide by 2 because this is a square. A square, when you draw one from one line to another, you divide this angle into 2. Exactly. Square, no? This is square. When you cut down here to here, it will divide exactly into 2. But rectangle cannot be. You see rectangle now, I draw panjang-panjang like that. And then this one go down here. Can you see one side is smaller, one side is bigger lah? Zahin, can see not? Zahin, rectangle once I draw from one line to line, one is small, one is big, cannot. So cannot divide by 2. You get it, Zahin? You divide by 2, there's not for rectangle, cannot. Okay? Because if you draw now the rectangle very long, Zahin, see. I draw a long, sorry. I draw a long rectangle like that. Then from here to here, I draw. Oh, no, I draw until here. Can you see, Zain, this is very small, this angle, compared to this one, very big. So you cannot divide by 2. You can only divide by 2 for square. Then you can get exactly 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45. But rectangle, so sorry. You divide by 2, you see this part is bigger than this one. Cannot be. So how? So you got 180 minus 36 minus 90 give you this. So what about the next one? Let us see. And 3 o'clock, yes. Okay, and 3 o'clock. Once a student asks when it's going to end, that means it's a bad sign. He says, "Why, tak boleh tahan when going to end." Aduh. Okay, tak apa. It's okay. I understand how you feel also. Because mathematics is thinking, no. When you think, it's headache. No. Down here now, I show you now. Zing, zing, zing. This one 36, this one so 36. So I'm going to remove the, so this is 36. You saw the thing, right? Just now. Then, Putri, this one also 36 because the isosceles triangle, Putri. 36 also. So what do you do to find the center angle? Very simple. 180 minus 36 minus 36 give you this 108. I repeat, you can see the Z. This is 36, this is 36. And then this is isosceles triangle. So this is equal to this, 36, 36. Angles in a triangle add up to 180. 180 minus 36 minus 36 give you 108. All okay? Putri, okay? Putri, you look bored, Putri. Are you bored? Tired? Says, what are you tired of? I say, I'm tired of the tutor. Oh, you so bad. Example. All right, here we go. The next one. Come on. Akil, you can do this. Mr. Wah, gigi dia sharp, man. Macam Dracula lah. Sekali lagi. Okay, come, try. 20 minutes more. Offer. Remember, this is parallelogram. Opposite angles equal. Side by side angles add up to 180. Remember. How do you get 35? Is it use the Z, is it? You use the Z to get 35? No. Okay, let me come to that in a moment. Let us check. So sorry, your answer is incorrect, Miss Putri. What was Zahin? OPQ. You say the answer is that. And I think you are absolutely correct. Cannot divide by 2 because you see, if you divide by 2 down here, that one you can only divide by 2 if these two are isosceles. This one panjang, Uzan. Pendek lah. Not the same. This is not isosceles. You have now labeled it wrongly. What is isosceles? Must be the same, right? So Zahin, congratulations, Zahin. Well done. You win for yourself a free trip to McDonald's sponsored by Akil. You know Akil, the boy down there? Always going to McDonald's. You can get a free voucher from him. Come on, come on, come on, Akil, come on. Hey, can do it, can do it, can do it. Okay, come on, come on. Hey, you can do this lah. Give up eh? Opposite, I tell
This
you.
was the question I got stuck at tuition.
Oh, okay. Okay, now. This one, you know, opposite angle are the same, right? In a parallelogram, opposite angle is same. So this whole thing is 60. Can you find this? You can find this. SPO, let's see. SPO, Special Police Officer. SPO. So sorry, SPO is not 50. Please try again. Every 2% saying SPO 50. I might be wrong. Okay, let me see. SPO 50. Yeah. Macam mana they can get 50? Yeah. Oh, they think down here is 60. Hello, hello, hello. The whole thing is 60, not this one lah. Hello, hello, Zahin and Putri. You see, I have to read your mind, you know. This whole thing is 60, not this one only down here. You know what I'm talking about? Senang lah. Senang, senang, senang. 10. 10, I think salah. Okay, we do one by one, one by one. First of all, okay lah, we do the easier one down here. The one that Zahin and Putri trying to find. 60, they say. 60 pun salah lah. Watch ah, watch ah. This is a parallelogram, no? Watch ah. Zing, zing, zing. This is 35. This one must be 35. Agree? Now you know how to do already, right? So this is 35. That means what? And then this one straight line, 110, 180 minus 110, get 70. Now you can find this already. 180 minus this, get berapa? Akil is, yeah, 75. Well done. 75 down here lah. So now if we know this is 35, how much is this? How much is this? This whole thing is 60. Akil, how much is this, Akil? 60 the whole thing. This one 35. How much is one? Akil! Akil! Akil you! Okay. All right. 60 minus 35, get 25 down here. Right? Now then you have, can I take water, please? Please do. You can see Z here. Down here Z. I show you another Z here. Z here. This one also 25 lah. This one pun 25 lah, Akil. Then you can find this one lah, Akil. You find you and Putri kan. Let's see who's the faster one. You can find this one. This one 25. This one 110. What is this one? Ilhan, yes, congratulations, you got it, well done. Can get not? Putri, you can get. You understand, Putri? Putri, understand not, Putri? So 180 minus 110 minus 25, you get 45. 45. 45. Yeah, 45 degrees. Yeah. Is this correct? Yes, right? Akil, you understand, Akil? Can do, huh? Don't give up, okay? Now here we go, the next one now. We go to the next one. We have another 13 minutes left and we are going to go the most difficult one. So if you need to rinse your face, please go and rinse your face. If you feel tired, rinse, stretch, whatever. You feel you need to beat your younger brother, sister, don't do it. Don't do it. Nampak? Ilhan looks very excited. Yeah, saya cakap dia ni nak pukul anak. Jadi, jangan Ilhan. Okay, we try this one. Isosceles, you all know isosceles, right? Two sides the same. Then this one, you can divide by 2 lah. Macam just now, Putri wanted to divide by 2. Believe you can do this. Again, this is a parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. Side by side. Wow. Oh, so fast. Akil. 200. Mana dia dapat 200? Memorize answer ke dia? Memorize 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 cannot be lah like that. Memorize Salah lah, memorize salah. You memorize salah lah, sorry lah. You sudah Zahin, come on Zahin. Zahin, the way you study is exactly like me now. We have to eat things. So for us to score, we got to be obese. Okay, you know Jabba the Hutt in let us see. Do you think it's 90 degrees over here, Miss Putri? That's why 90 minus 40 give 50. But they didn't tell you it's 90 degrees. How do you know? How do you know? You can do B first if you want to. B is quite easy. B is quite easy. Ilhan got that. Let me see. Congratulations to Mr. Ilhan. Well done. Ilhan dah marah dah. Tak senyum langsung. Akil, you miss. You miss. The next one 50. So you also assuming this one 90 degrees, is it? Cannot assume lah. How you get that? I mean, if 90 degrees, it cannot be. If let's say Ilhan and Putri, let's assume this is 90 degrees. It must be straight, right? This one sengit lah. You know what I mean? If let's say like that, we put down here 40 degrees, and so 50 degrees, you got 90, right? 90 must be straight now because this one sengit like that, more than 90 degrees. Cannot be. Ilhan says, sorry, 60, no 60, yeah. Be 100 degrees cannot be lah, miss. Look, Miss Putri, this here down here already is straight line 180 degrees, no, from here to here. Ini lebih dari 180 degrees. You just say 100. Sorry, no discount today, no discount, no discount, offer. Let's see, A is 75. Your answer is correct. Your answer is wrong. Okay, let us go through together. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. Let us do one by one. Now we will ask Putri. Putri, come. You unmute yourself. What is this angle down here, Putri? Putri, no need to calculate. Look isosceles. Two angles are the same. Is this two? So this angle is 40 degrees. Can you find this angle then? 40, this one's how much? 100. So the whole thing down here is 360. Whole thing is 360. So now, this is 100, 360. So how much is B?
260.
Yes, 260. 360 minus 100, you get 260. So those of you got 260, congratulations. Those got 280, something is wrong. Maybe trying to recall from answer from the other day. Akil, 280 is not correct. Akil, this one is 100 degrees. 40. So 180 minus 40 equals to 100. Then 360 minus 100, 260. So now let us go back now. Okay. So you agree. First of all, I'm going to draw a, sorry, draw again. Down here we draw a parallelogram. And see, Zahin must be able to see this, Zahin. Zahin, Cannot tahan already. Now, Zahid, remember, this is a parallelogram. So you must remember, side by side, they add up to how much? Side by side. Zahid, you remember not? Side by side add up to 180. So this one is 40, you know. So 40 plus 35 is how much? Anybody? 40 plus 35 is 75, right? So these two add up to 180. So how much is here? How much is this whole thing? Now from here to here. This one is 75. 1, 0, 5. Yeah, 105. 180 minus 75 go 105. Then 105 minus 40 give you? 105 minus 40 give you? 65. So far, no one got the 65. Huh? That means you might be confused. So we have to ask you one by one. Putri, are you confused? Yes. Akil, are you confused? No. Ilhan, are you confused? Yes. Zahin, are you confused?
I'm confused.
You're confused. Okay. So let us go one by one. So now down here, you must know in a parallelogram, this angle is equal to this angle. That one you understand, right? And then in a parallelogram, this angle is equal to this angle. Always equal. The side by side, this is beside this. These two angles will add up to 180. Okay? And this one will add up to 180 also. And this will add up to 180 also. And the last one, this and this also add up to 180. Side by side will add up 180 in a parallelogram. Parallelogram. So how? So we know this angle plus this angle add up to 180. Just now you know this is 40. Why you know this is 40? Because this is an isosceles triangle. These two are the same. So this one is 75. 75 plus what equals to 180? Because we know that these two add up 180. So take 180 minus 75. Give you 105. 105 minus 40 give you 65. Are we okay? Oh, you all look very tired lah. Zahid handsome lah. Zahid handsome. Zahid dah tak boleh tahan lah. Penat lah. Don't worry. This maths, if you are feeling tired, it's very good. That means you are using your brain. That means because we are doing very fast, no, one after another. You are actually exercising your brain. Like when you go for a workshop in workout in what gym, you feel very tired. After 1 hour, you might feel very tired. So let us try the next one now. We have 4 minutes more. This is the last question. You try. You believe in yourself. You can do this. Easiest to find is C. Nah, don't cry. Happy lah, happy. Okay, redo. Easiest to find is C. Will Zahin be able to find? Zahin looks tired already. Zahin, don't give up, Zahin. Wake up, Zahin. Who can get C? C is the easiest. And I think Ilhan is the one. He looks as if he's typing. Ilhan, let's see. Okay, good. Great. You can find. This is a rectangle. Congratulations, Mr. Ilhan. I told you. Ilhan with the first one. Once I tell you what this is, you know how to do. This down here is a rectangle, so it's 90 degrees. This one has to be how many degrees? Akil. It's 90 degrees. This one has to be how many degrees? 30, right? 90 minus. So this is isosceles. Putri can see now. This one is also 30 lah. Now you can do this one straight. Come on. Well done. You can do this one. So this triangle is the same as this triangle. This one is also 30 ma. This one also 30 ma. How much is this one? 3 minutes more. Akil, notice Akil, this is more tiring than class, huh? Because just sitting, doing. Okay, one said 240, one said 230. One hand says 210. How come I was so discount now? First one started 240. Then after one, say no lah, give you cheaper lah, 230. Then another one said 210, I sell you 200. This one is not selling barang-barang lah, hello. Please. Apa ni jual ni? Jualan lah. Akil, you give 200 lah, Akil. Ini, how much is, do you agree this is 30? Agree, yeah? Do you therefore agree this is 30? So what is this? Come on. 180 minus 30 give you 120. You need to make 360 minus 120. Let us see who got it correct. And the winner goes to Mr. Zahin with 240. Mr. Zahin, congratulations. Yeah, you can get yourself a free milkshake from McDonald's. Okay, let us see. Let us see how much more. We have one more question. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we will continue next round lah. Okay, it is almost. You got any questions for me? No? Hey, Zahin, what did I promise you last week? Did I tell you what we are?
Nothing.
Nothing. Nothing.
Oh yeah, percentage increase and the decrease. What you know?
Okay. I forgot lah. Okay, can you remind me on Friday? Next Friday or Saturday, you just message percentage increase, decrease. Then I'll go through on Sunday. Okay, anyone else you want me to go through any topic, just message me, okay? Until next week then. Okay, thank you very much. It's 3 o'clock and Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.